If you're having this problem lately at a computer and getting tired of seeing the same blue screen, I have got some fix for you. One of the solutions for fixing the blue screen is restarting your computer at first. Go to Windows and restart your computer at first. And if that is not helping you to solve the problem, the another reason might be because your device is connected to external drives. So if you have external drives like SSD or HDD or pin drives connected on your computer, make sure you unplug those USB cables and restart your computer again. And this should help to fix your problem. And if that is not solving your problem, the next step is to go to command prompt, run as administrator, and click on sfc/scan now. And this will scan the files on your computer, and if any of the files is corrupted, this will help to repair your PC. The next reason why you're facing this blue screen problem might be because of Windows updates. So you can go to Windows Update settings and click on Windows Update history. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see uninstall update option. Tap on the option. And from here, you can uninstall the latest Windows update. And this should help to fix your problem. So if you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment.